Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. AI can write essays now. And honestly, teachers are having a hard time detecting it. But before you rush to use this, let me explain the right way to do it. Because there's a massive difference between cheating and learning smarter. First, the tool. It's called Claude AI. And yes, there are others like ChatGPT and Gemini. But Claude AI writes essays that sound more natural, more human. That's why teachers struggle to detect it. But here's the thing. Using AI to write your entire essay? That's cheating. Don't do it. But using AI to help you write? That's smart. Let me show you the difference. Wrong way, cheating way. You copy the essay prompt. You paste it into Claude AI. You say, write me an essay. Claude writes a full essay. You copy-paste it. You submit it. You get caught. Because even though Claude sounds human, your teacher knows your writing style. If your essay suddenly sounds too good, too polished, they'll know. And there are AI detectors now. To zero, Turnitin, they catch this. So don't do it. Seriously. It's not worth the risk. Right way, smart way. Here's how I actually use Claude AI for essays without cheating. Step 1. I brainstorm my ideas first. I don't let AI think for me. I write down what I want to say. My arguments. My examples. My opinions. All mine. No AI involved. Step 2. I ask Claude AI to organize my ideas into an outline. I give it my messy brainstorm, and I say, help me structure this into a logical essay outline. Claude gives me an outline. Introduction. 3 body paragraphs. Conclusion. Now I have structure. But the ideas are still mine. Step 3. I write the essay myself. Yes, myself. I don't copy-paste anything from AI. I use my words, my voice, my style. Because that's what teachers recognize. But here's where AI helps. If I'm stuck on how to phrase something, I ask Claude, how can I say this better? It suggests improvements. I pick what sounds like me, not what sounds like AI. Step 4. After I finish writing, I paste my essay into Claude and ask, check my grammar and logic. Claude catches spelling mistakes, awkward sentences, unclear arguments. I fix those. But I don't change my voice. I don't let Claude rewrite everything. I just polish what's already there. Step 5. I use Grammarly. Not AI-generated Grammarly. Just grammar checking. Grammarly catches the small mistakes. Typos. Missing commas. Wrong verb tenses. My teacher sees a clean, polished essay. But it's still my writing. My ideas. My voice. Final step, and this is crucial. I read my essay out loud before submitting. If it doesn't sound like me, I rewrite it. Because your teacher knows your voice. They've read your work all year. If suddenly your essay sounds like Shakespeare, they'll know something's up. Keep your voice. Always. So here's the rule. Use AI to brainstorm, organize, and polish. But never, ever let AI write for you. Write it yourself. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement. That's the difference between smart and cheating. Why does this matter? Because learning to write is important. Not for school. Not for grades. For life. You'll write emails. Job applications. Reports. Presentations. If you rely on AI now, you won't develop that skill. But if you use AI to improve your writing, you get better over time. And that's what education is actually about. Now, will some students cheat anyway? Yes. They'll copy-paste and hope they don't get caught. Some will get away with it. Some won't. But even if you get away with it, you're cheating yourself. You're not learning. And eventually, that will catch up to you. So don't do it. Use AI smartly. Use it ethically. Use it to make your writing better. Not to replace your writing. That's how you get good grades and actually learn something. Comment below. Have you used AI for essays? How do you use it? Let's have an honest conversation. No judgment. Just honesty. And subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy. We teach you how to use AI the right way. Not the cheating way. The smart way. See you next video.